Hey friends! Today we are going to be discussing states of matter. We are going to be talking about solid, a liquid, and a gas. So you might want to learn, what do we look like? A solid, a liquid, and a gas all have different shapes and they come in different sizes. Solids can be represented as ice, like what cools our drinks and make them really great to drink, but you can't move the ice until it melts, which turns into a liquid. And a liquid is like our water that we use to keep us really hydrated. And then next comes our gas. So gases we can't see and we can't feel, but they're everywhere around us. Next, we really want to know what we can't see. So I'm going to have a helper today come up and show what we can't see that's going on the inside. So first, we have our solids. And solids like to stay really close together. So if you take your arm, go like this, and you wiggle around, but you can't wiggle very far, we're still really close together. And then our liquids are a little bit different. They got a little more wiggle room. So we got our hands, we're wiggling around, and we're still together, conforming to any space.
Take a monkey.
And then we have our gas. And gases can go anywhere we want to.
Float away.
And float away. All right, now for the fun part. We're going to be taking a solid and a liquid and turning it into a gas. So first, we're going to put on our safety goggles. Always the most important part. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. We've got our liquid. Thank you. And now we've got our solid, and we're going to pour it into our liquid. Stir, stir, stir. And now we've got all these bubbles up at the top that has made a gas. All right.
I keep stirring it.
Okay, thank you. I think we're good. Thank you, helper. See you later. Now we're going to split off into two teams. Okay, team one. We're going to go over to our exploration station and see what we can find out about solids, liquids, and gases. So, I will have our gas, which we can't see, but we can feel. And it fills up any space, those loose particles. Then we'll have our liquid, which wiggles all the way around. Tons of space, but we can still feel it. And then we'll have our solid, which we can't move around because those particles are so tightly in there and it feels cold. And we can feel all the different things about our states of matter. All right, now team two, we're going to go over solids, liquids, and gases and how all those particles fit together. So solids, like an apple, those particles will be really close and don't allow that apple any wiggle room, except they are moving on the inside. Liquid, you're going to have a lot more wiggle room, remember? And all those particles will be a little bit looser in there, but still more. And then finally, like in a balloon, our gases will have a lot of space to move around and float to go wherever they want to.